We started our day at Silver Spring Neighborhood Center because we wanted the kids to get their bodies moving, to get their brains stimulated and ready to learn all of the things that they were inevitably going to learn at Riveredge Nature Center. We are here at Riveredge Nature Center with Vilo for our World Water Day celebration, where we've brought youth from Silver Spring Neighborhood Center out for a fun day here in nature.
Riveredge Nature Center is committed to environmental education and conservation 365 days a year. A lot of the programs that we run are focused on watershed quality health and are really meant to inspire people of all ages to build a better relationship with the outdoors. So not only inspire to maybe pursue careers, but also become better stewards of the outdoors, particularly precious water resources.
We are grateful for partners like Vilo, who are pioneers in water sustainability, to be able to help us bring youth from the community out to places that they typically don't get to see.
Water is really important and we don't have enough of it. I mean, in the future, we're going to have less and less access to clean water, so I think it's really important to educate them and have them to be involved more with the communities and help make a better impact.
They love it. They've been enjoying it. They've been smiles. They've been happy, enjoying each other. Some of them, they needed a break from school, so this was a self-care day in a sense of form. Thank you, the Bucks, and thank you, Vilo, for having us at Silver Spring Neighborhood Center enjoy this day for World Water Day. And we appreciate everything you guys did for us.